Hello guys, this is Reaction Life and welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all guys doing today? Hopefully you guys are really doing good. I'm also doing fine as well. So today you guys know why I am here, right? I am here with another new video for you guys only. Yeah. And without any further ado and without any further talking and of course waiting, let's get started. Okay guys, get ready because today's video is going to be interesting one because today we are going to of course talk about our Harry and Louis. I have some interesting update about them. Yeah, shall we talk about it? First of all, guess what? We just got Harry's picture recently. Let me show you guys, then we are going to talk about it briefly. Wait, before that, let me give you guys another hint over here. Harry was seen actually leaving some studio. Yes. Let me show you guys the details and everything, then we are going to talk about it briefly, alright? Here you go. Okay, right. Okay. Whoa, right. Yes, alright. Yeah. Would it be wrong to say this that HS4 is on the way, guys? Oh my, I just cannot believe it. I mean, Harry was leaving studio? That's fishy, that's suspicious. Not only that, Harry recently been, hanging out with loads of renowned artists. Hmm, our Harry, our Harold, is legit cooking something. That's for sure. What it is, we have to wait and then we can maybe find out in the near future. But as for now, I am way too excited, way too much. Anyway, I just remembered something. Lots of people actually comment under my videos that why Harry in Berlin so many times recently, right? So I actually talked about it in one of my previous video, but maybe you guys have missed it. So I'm telling you guys again that Sony's headquarter, another, actually located in Berlin. Yeah, let me show you. Here it is. There you go. So now if you connect all the dots, there you go. Yeah, we are definitely, you know, going to get the album way too soon. At least sooner than we think. This is going to be awesome. I just cannot wait anymore. I'm way too impatient as a person. Man. Anyway, I have got another update about Louis. Guess what? Where Louis is right now? He is in Costa Rica. Yeah, let me show you guys few pictures, then we are going to talk about it briefly. Of course, here you go. Yes. Ah, one thing is for sure, Louis is glowing and I don't know how he is looking so freaking young. hmm Louis should share the secret with us. But yeah, he is glowing, that's for sure. It's a compliment, by the way. Another thing is that our whole fandom is talking about that. If you don't want to get pepped, then you would not get pepped. Why they are saying it? Wait, I'm here to explain everything. When Louis actually took the flight, the time of leaving, we didn't get any pictures of Louis. Like, nothing. But when he landed, when he actually reached Costa Rica, we got bunch of pictures from there. Now you guys can ask yourself why. As our fandom is saying, you would not get pepped if you don't want to get pepped. That makes sense. That makes sense. Now let me show you guys. Sorry. Now let me show you guys few posts about it. Then we are going to talk about it briefly. All right. Here you go. Okay. Right. Hmm. Okay. Right. Yeah. Hmm. Looks like Louis is here for a vacation or something else. If I find something, of course I would let you guys know. If I get any update, of course I will be here to update you guys as soon as I find something. That's it. And another thing I would like to mention over here is Harry is enjoying his vacation, and now Louis is maybe enjoying his vacation as well. Seems like it. I just hope that we don't gonna get any more PR stunt, at least for now. I mean, you guys know nowadays we have got bunch of Larry's stuff, bunch of Larry indirects, bunch of Larry hints, and loads of other stuff. So we never know. Maybe the havoc is coming towards us. We never know, as I said. And another thing I would like to talk about, lots of people are saying that Harry and Louis are actually legit spending lots of time being apart. And I mean, it's their personal choice. I can't say anything, you know, on behalf of them. But I mean, it's not something is impossible to couple, right? For couple, it's not something impossible. As for me, I mean, they have to have better understanding. That's it. They can talk it out. There's nothing wrong with it. And as they are artists, they have their own work and bunch of works. You guys know being artist is not easy. If you think about it deeply, it's not easy being an artist. And when they actually release their album and goes on to, it's much more work. Yeah. Anyway, so what's your thoughts and your opinion about all the stuff that we have talked? Please let me know in the comment section. All right, so yeah, this was all it for today's video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know this was a short update, but I just wanted to let you guys know everything. I just wanted to keep you guys updated. That's it. Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, comment, share, and do subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon, very soon, with new video, with new update. Till then, take care and keep smiling. I'll definitely see you guys soon. Take care, guys. Alright? Bye!